My name is Pradish Gandhi. I'm studying in class 8 right now. So I'm very happy that viewers has helped me in me qualifying IOQJS this year, NSCJS this year. Very thankful to Vedantu Olympiad School and as well as Vedantu for taking this initiative and putting so much effort to give students free Olympiad coaching. That was the greatest thing I feel this year they have done for students like me and who want to prepare for Olympiads. So hats off to Vedantu and Vedantu Olympiad School as well as our faculties Nidhi ma'am, Rohit sir, Chetan sir, Ruhani ma'am. They are like really caring and then thanks for this opportunity. Who doesn't like leaderboards and quizzes? Like they were a basic part of our enjoyment actually. Interaction between ourselves and the teacher, we get unmuted, our video is getting switched on, then our doubts are getting cleared. This is all happening at a free cost and then like who could avoid all these?
Vedantu.